Hello there. This is Bob Cornish introducing to you from Melbourne sounds from Bruce Clarke's Jingle Workshop. A survey of jingles, sounds and voices that have brought increased sales to many radio and television advertisers.
Here's the best gig yet to go on.
Let's go, Golden Fleece. Let's go, Golden Fleece. Let's go, the feeling's great. Zoom with the power released. Go, Golden Fleece. Activate. Let's go, Golden Fleece. Let's go for service great. Quick, smart, your cares will cease. Go, Golden Fleece. Activate.
Smoked around the world, enjoyed around the world. The world's most satisfying filter cigarette. Soft pack, king size Kent. Soft pack, king size Kent.
The Jingle Workshop is a completely self-contained organization. The Jingle Workshop staff consists of lyric writers, arrangers, composers, copyists, and sound technicians. The Jingle Workshop services include all types of recording on the most modern equipment and in the most comfortable of surroundings. The Jingle Workshop studio is equipped with a 4-track Ampex mastering recorder as used by all major recording labels throughout the world. All types of reverberation, 12-channel 4-track mixing, full tape-to-disc service, 16 and 35mm synchronous projectors, 17.5mm sprocketed recording. You name it, the Jingle Workshop has it.
Stamco washes so easily, fully automatic. It does all my wash for me, all so simply and wonderfully. Stamco's the best of them all. Washes so easily, fully automatic. It does all my wash for me, all so simply and wonderfully. Stamco's the best of them all.
You're with Bob on the BC beat.
Most people listen to 4BC.
4BC.
McEwen's means hardware, lamps and clocks.
McEwen's means a foolproof lock.
McEwen's
means a million things.
McEwen's means mufflers, microscopes.
McEwen's means a coil of rope.
McEwen's
means a million things.
McEwen's means dining, TV and chandeliers, candlesticks, and casseroles too. Fires like this, and glassware and teapots and cutlery. McEwen's means a workshop with everything you want. Your garden with barbecues and umbrellas and chairs, tools and salad bowls. McEwen's means a million things for you.
McEwen's means shavers, fishing rods.
McEwen's means a crystal knob.
McEwen's means a million things.
Big K, little I, little A, O-R-A, Kiara. You'll just love Big K, little I, little A, O-R-A, Kiara. Kiara.
Come fly with the friendly jet line, fly TAA, the friendly way.
That TAA message reminds us to remind you that the Jingle Workshop is now 1.5 hours from Sydney and Adelaide, and that all clients are transported to and from the airport by helicopter or private car. So if you're looking for new, exciting sounds and fresh voices, remember to remember the Jingle Workshop.
Make the most of moments in the sun. Copper tone makes living in the sunshine fun. It gives the fastest tan, as you will quickly see, 'cause nothing tans like copper tone naturally. So don't you be a pale face, get that sun. Get yourself some copper tone, it's #1. Get the fastest tan that anyone can. Tan, don't burn, get a copper tone tan. Make the most of moments in the sun. Copper tone makes living in the sunshine fun. It gives the fastest tan, as you will quickly see, 'cause nothing tans like copper tone naturally. So don't you be a pale face, get that sun. Get yourself some copper tone, it's #1. Get the fastest tan that anyone can. Tan, don't burn, get a copper tone tan.
Baker boy makes better bread.
Baker boy makes better bread. Your taste says there's a difference.
It's Baker boy, it's better bread. You can taste the difference.
It's flavor fresh. This better bread will fast become your preference.
Baker boy makes better bread.
You can taste the difference. Welcome your friendly Electrolux man. He's there to help you as only he can. He'll show you how Electrolux deep cleans with a floor-to-ceiling system to make your house clean. He'll come and see you as soon as he can. So welcome your friendly
than a sunbeam chicken. No chicken sweeter than a sunbeam chicken. None more tender than a sunbeam chicken. Honest to goodness, sunbeam chicken. Honest to goodness, sunbeam chicken.
Looking for the perfect stocking to give you longer wear yet still be sheer enough to wear anywhere? There's only one, a restaurant.
So very arresting.
A restaurant.
So very captivating.
A restaurant.
Won't ever run.
A restaurant.
Sheer enough to wear anywhere. For longer wear, anywhere.
Don't make another move until you discover this perfect runless stocking made by Hole Proof. A restaurant. At 12 and 11 it can't run.
All the top men drink the popular 10. Tarac's top 10 flavors. Be a top man, drink a bottle or can. Tarac's top 10.
Many commercials suffer from a sameness of sound in the vocal group or orchestral voicings. At the Jingle Workshop, no effort is spared to avoid this. For jobs involving vocal groups, clients are offered a choice of no less than 10 different groups, whose ability can be heard throughout this record.
Take it easy with Pastilla. Take it easy with Pastilla.
Coddy Screw-Top Lemonade gives you more sparkling lemonade flavor.
And more value.
It's the biggest Screw-Top bottle you can buy for sure. Coddy Screw-Top Lemonade gives you more. Coddy Screw-Top Lemonade gives you more.
Nothing takes the place of beer. Beer, the friendly drink that makes a party. The sturdy drink that's hale and hearty. The drink that finds a welcome anytime, any place. Just relax.
Down the hatch.
Popular teenage stars in an appropriate orchestral setting made this track a big seller.
Here's a real cool twist from Peter's. Peter's Carnival Twist. A cool cup that's pure excitement. Peter's Carnival Twist. Rich vanilla sundae.
Twist in raspberry and lime.
The new fun sundae from Peter's. It's a cool, cool twist so fine. So go, go, go for Peter's. Peter's Carnival Twist. Yow!
Clarity of diction, skillful arrangements, carefully chosen talent, exacting direction and recording techniques, plus the friendly persuasion of an enthusiastic voice, can produce wonderful sounds, as in the following examples, all successful Jingle Workshop productions.
Whistle clean. See that gleam? It's Savlon D for dandruff-free. Beautiful hair, Savlon D. Beautiful hair, Savlon D.
Fruity, creamy, crunch, or chew.
Pimm's is the #1 cup. Discover the pleasure of Pimm's. Pimm's is for pleasure.
There's pleasure in Pimm's.
Pimm's is the #1 drink. Pimm's is the #1 drink.
Aspro works fast.
Now it's fun to quench your thirst. This one puts the flavor first. It's Embassy, king of soft drinks. Sparkling fresh, full of zest. It costs you less to drink the best. That's Embassy, king of soft drinks.
Choose all your favorite flavors.
Get the taste that's bright by Embassy for value.
It's refreshing and it's right. Sparkling fresh, full of zest. It costs you less to drink the best. That's Embassy, king of soft drinks. Now it's fun to quench your thirst. This one puts the flavor first. That's Embassy, king of soft drinks.